Hey what's up guys, this is Skyforce95 here, kicking off the new year with an unboxing of the none other than the Bose QC35 Series 2 active noise cancelling headphones. So these are my very first noise cancelling headphones. I wanted to save up to get the very best, and I was between Bose and also the Sonys. In the final review I'll give you guys the reason why I chose this over the Sonys, but this is just the unboxing, so let me just give you a quick tour around the box. As usual, if you want to pause this, read every bit of text, feel free. Here's a look at the back. Now what's different about the Series 2 is that it has the Google Assistant built in, so it has an additional button on the left ear cup to summon the assistant, but I personally didn't buy it for that feature. I bought it because it was also able to be reprogrammed to control the level of noise cancellation. So there are 3 different modes. You can have it completely off, a little bit low, and then full noise cancellation. So that's mainly why I bought this Series 2 as opposed to the cheaper Series 1. So let's just go ahead and cut off the shrink wrap and get right into the box. Alright, shrink wrap off, here it is. So I did get the black one, as you already noticed. There is also a silver color if you so choose, but I thought the black one is sleeker and also it goes well with pretty much everything, so that's why I chose the black one. So there's just a little blurb about that, how to pair it. It's very straightforward. I'll obviously show it to you in the final review. So here it is. It comes with a nice semi-hard case. Let's also take a look at what's else in here. Some desiccant packets. And it looks like the instructions are built right into the inside. Actually, nope, just kidding. That's just the same thing up here in a lot more different languages. And underneath this thick piece of cardstock is actually more literature stuff. So maybe we'll find a more in-depth handbook in here. So first off, it looks like it's a safety guide in multiple languages. And yep, a lot of different languages. And this is warranty information covering over my serial number. So you can register your headphones on Bose's website. More warranty stuff on different languages. So yeah, it looks like they don't give you an actual user manual, but it's pretty straightforward. I'll definitely go over it in the full review. So that's pretty much it for the box. Everything else is inside here. So let's take a look at the case itself. Actually, interesting enough, there's an extra little side pocket in the back if you wanted to put other stuff. Not sure what I would do with that right now, but I'll probably figure it out by the time I upload my full review. So let's just open this thing up. Single zipper, no double zipper. And then inside there's another accessory pouch right there. And looks like we get an auxiliary cable. So it's a 2.5mm to the standard 3.5mm jack. That way you would plug into your device. And we have the headphones themselves, along with some foam to help the structure. And I believe this should be the cable, charging cable. Yep, it's a micro USB, so it charges micro USB, not Type-C, unfortunately, even though this was released in late 2017. So on the right side of the case, the only thing is really just the headphones. No included airplane adapter, unlike the Series 1, but I think most people don't really use that anymore these days. That's probably why it's omitted in the first place. So let's take a close look at the earphones themselves. Even though it feels really lightweight and almost plastic, it does have that matte finish. So this part, the headband, might actually be plastic, but the ear cups themselves are actually aluminum and then painted over matte finish. So actually this is very sturdy, so don't worry about that part. Of course, on both ear cups, heavily embossed, is the Bose logo, which matches perfectly with the case itself. And you have the standard extension, so it should be able to fit a wide variety of heads, and it swivels like so. So it should be very comfortable. And you can see on the top is an Alcantara headband, plenty of cushion. And the ear cups themselves are the synthetic leather, not memory foam, but it's very, very soft. And from what I've heard from other people, that these are super comfortable, if not the most comfortable over-ear noise cancelling headphones in this price range. So all around the outer part of the ear cups, you can see these grills as well as these holes, and they are actually outward facing microphones to sense your outward surrounding noises, and that way it can input the opposite, the inverse waveform, so that it will cancel out the noise. That's how active noise canceling works. So it charges, as I mentioned before, via micro USB, so there's a charging port right there. It also supports NFC, so if you have an Android phone, you can directly pair it. Along again with this unboxing video, let's take a look at the other buttons and ports. So there's the 2.5mm headphone jack, so unfortunately you can't just use any auxiliary cord. You have to have a 2.5mm end for the input into the headphones. And here is the Google Play / the 3-level of noise cancellation button right here. And then on the right ear cup you can see the playback controls. You got pause, fast forward, and volume. And then we have the actual power switch right here. So right now it's off, so you can see there's a red indicator there. You put it like this, it's now on. And then if you want to pair, you want to hold it over to the right, to the Bluetooth. And you can see there's the indicator. Right now it's trying to pair, that's why it's flashing blue right there. And it's green because it has enough charge. This is supposed to last around 20 hours of listening, so I'll obviously be testing that out in real-world usage for my final review. And after taking a look at the inside of these ear cups, they are clearly labeled. And also, I don't remember anybody ever pointing this out before, but in order for it to have enough room for your earlobes, it actually slants, slightly slanted. You can see that this part that's closer to the front of your face is actually higher than the inside, the one towards your back, so it's slanted down this way. That's to ensure that your earlobes would have plenty of space. I just thought that's pretty interesting, how Bose kind of maximized the inside space of these ear cups. And finally, to actually store it back in the case, you just need to fold it like this, and then slip it into the case. And actually Bose has already made a little schematic right here at the top to show you exactly how to do it. That way, the foam piece is here on the bottom, headphones on the right side, and you can easily zip it up like so. And it even comes with a little loop at the top, so you can use a carabiner or something to attach it to your bag. Well, that concludes my unboxing video, but make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to see the review when it comes out. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.